Data centers require precise, scheduled, and often redundant maintenance. Both Tim, the technician, and Charlie, the chief engineer, are in high-stakes roles. Chief engineers need to oversee work efforts across distributed teams and operations 24/7, but paper logs and fragmented tools create blind spots. With heavy regulations and audits, manual logs and incomplete records make compliance stressful and risky. Missing a preventative maintenance task or doing it inconsistently can lead to failures, SLA violations, or even worse, outages. Let's take a look at some of the tools available in the MCIM work module that allow Tim and Charlie to execute their roles most effectively. At any time, Charlie has visibility to the Preventative Maintenance Compliance Report, providing insight into past performance as noted here for 2024, as well as a look ahead into preparedness for any upcoming maintenance with the help of color-coded statuses as you see on the legend on the left. The MCIM solution provides recommended maintenance prescriptions based on standards your organization is licensed for, such as, but not limited to, ASHRAE, IEEE, NETA, ISO, SF-G20, and can accommodate your custom organizational standards as well. Taking a look at a prescription maintenance, just for example, I can easily select this ANSI NETA. It will load and it will list all the required maintenance or recommended maintenance. And it's also considered nested, meaning you might have a maintenance task that is due on an asset that is quarterly but also annually. And therefore, you do not need to duplicate efforts. You can do one maintenance task that will satisfy both. In addition to having visibility to the various standards and maintenance prescriptions, we can easily see that there are 111 assets involved in this particular ASHRAE standard semi-annual condenser unit. By selecting that number, it's going to list out all 111 condensers. And furthermore, we can link directly into that work order or change request that is associated, where we have access to all the necessary detail, who signed off, the approvers, all the steps, you name it, right at our fingertips. Prioritization, assignments, and escalations are handled with automated workflows based on rules, ensuring no task slips through the cracks, keeping your organization compliant with audit-ready record keeping. Technicians like Tim can open, update, and close work orders and change requests in the field via mobile devices. Standardized digital procedures, or to put it simply, required checklists and task flows, are built into each work order and change request, reducing human error and variation. In this example of a change request, Tim is guided through the procedures to ensure every maintenance activity meets regulatory and internal requirements, inclusive of reference to emergency procedures and protocols, as well as who to contact, all within the workflow without having to leave the screen. In data centers, uptime is non-negotiable, compliance is tight, and visibility is everything. The MCIM work module is your intelligent CMMS, streamlining work and change orders with flexible, user-friendly digital workflows. Purpose-built for data centers and designed for operational efficiency, it transforms task management to ensure every action drives organizational success.